Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to share with you guys how I transformed these fake pumpkins that I purchased from Michael's a while back. And I was going for a glam style because, as you guys know, this fall I have a kind of farmhouse glam style going on in my home. So if you want to see how I glammed up these pumpkins to kind of look like these little Cinderella pumpkins with some diamond wrap from Dollar Tree, then stay tuned to this video. So originally when I bought the pumpkins, they came in orange, and at that time I wanted to do an orange and black theme to kind of go with Halloween. So I just took some black puffy paint and I made some creative vines on them using little puffy dots to create the design that I wanted. But I knew that I wanted to change them up for this year. So what I did so that it can go with the glam farmhouse style, I decided to paint them white with just some regular spray paint that you can get with the Rust-Oleum or any brand that you like. Now when it comes to the vines, they are showing here, but I was actually happy that they were showing because it was going to give me a pattern to use for when I use the diamond wrap, which the diamond wrap that I'm using is the one that I got from Dollar Tree, which is 6 feet, but you can use any diamond wrap, whether it's at Walmart or the one that's 3 feet or not even that thick. But I'm going to use the diamond wrap to go around with the vines, and all I'm going to use is my glue gun to apply them. So I started by applying onto the stem first because I wanted to be able to completely cover the stem before I get into the vines. Now with the stem, because it's so thick, I was able to keep the diamond wrap with its 4 rows as I glued piece by piece on. But as you will see, I will be cutting different strands off so that I can fit the middle pieces in because it does not all lay straight because of the curves of the stem. So you will be seeing me having to cut different pieces and gluing them in different areas just to completely cover the stem. When the stem is completely covered, now it's time to move on to the vines. Now, one tip that I want to give you guys before moving on is whenever you're doing anything with hot glue, any type of project with hot glue, you know that there's always these strings and these blobs that hang around. So one trick that I use is I always take a shish kebab stick or a toothpick, whatever I have on hand, and I use it to pick all those little strands or globs that are loose around my project. And this makes it so much easier to get all those little strands with just the little poke of the shish kebab stick. Now when I was creating the vines, what I did was I would take the diamond wrap and I would measure it out to the length of diamond wrap that I needed for each vine that I was going to work on. And I worked on one vine at a time. Once I knew the length of that individual vine, I cut the diamond wrap to that length, and then I cut a single strand of the diamond wrap for that length because each vine was going to have one string of diamond wrap glued onto it, as opposed to when I did the stem where I used 4 at a time because I knew I wanted to cover the stem completely with diamond wrap. When it comes to the vine, I just wanted to use 1. So again, I just measured it out first, the length, and then cut one individual vine and glued it on with my hot glue gun. And this is how the pumpkin turned out once I added all the diamond wrap to each individual vine. And you can put as many vines as you want or as less as you want, but I just love the way this one came out. This DIY can easily be recreated using any kind of pumpkins. So if you wanted to use the styrofoam pumpkins from Dollar Tree and keep all your supplies from Dollar Tree, you can do this with the Dollar Tree pumpkins and they would come out beautiful as well. But I wanted bigger size pumpkins, so that's why I decided to use the ones that I purchased at Michael's. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.